What's up everybody, Joyce here, and in this video I will show you how to make money with Clickbank on TikTok. And if you're thinking that TikTok is an app where teenagers do silly dances and waste their time there, then just like me, you're wrong. TikTok is a gold mine of traffic, and if you're not leveraging it to make money, then this video will show you how. So fasten your seatbelts and watch this video till the end, as I will show you the step-by-step instructions on how to make money with Clickbank on TikTok and how you can get started as in today. I also share a method that will make you 10 times more, so don't leave, skip or forward this video, as you will be missing out on key information that will help you make money. And as always, for everyone who is new to my video, my name is Joyce Meettoo. I'm an ex-mechanical engineer to now a full-time online entrepreneur who loves traveling, eat delicious food and work out. And on this channel, I make videos that help people make money, and save time in their lives, as well as start, build and grow their online business. If videos like this interest you, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my content. And without any further ado, let's jump into it. So first off, we are going to start with Clickbank. Clickbank is a website that hosts the digital products of various entrepreneurs, and the business model used to make money with Clickbank is affiliate marketing. I won't go into much details on how to create a free account with Clickbank, as I have already done a full step-by-step tutorial on how to create and complete your Clickbank account setup, and you can actually watch this video here. And the reason we'll be using Clickbank is because we can get the affiliate links from our preferred products without waiting for approval and start promoting them on TikTok. But why TikTok? The introduction of short videos by TikTok changed everything and has caused all the other platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to change how the audiences look at content on their respective platforms. TikTok has by now amassed over 1 billion users and is currently available in over 150 countries. So let me actually give you a few examples of how people on TikTok are actually leveraging Clickbank products and making a living. So the first account that we're going to see is Manifestation86, and this account has 1.2 million followers, and these are the contents they're actually publishing. And if we kind of look at the link they have posted, they are actually promoting 2 Clickbank products. Let's have another example of this account here, Keto Diet 445. All right, this is actually an account that's actually promoting a Clickbank product for keto diet plan. And another one is woodworking fun, and this is actually promoting a Clickbank product that is about woodworking. And we have other accounts like relationship expert, love tips, and so on. Okay, now we're actually going to take this account as an example called the Manifestation86. All right, this account, as I told you guys, this account has 1.2 million followers, and they're actually promoting 2 products of Clickbank here from their link. Now, what you should know is, like, once you actually reach 1,000 followers on TikTok, you are actually allowed to put your link here, and this link is actually from created. I will actually show you how to create this link, so you don't have to worry about this. And yeah, so they are promoting 2 Clickbank products. Now, let's assume that no matter how many traffic the person of this account send here, let's say that they buy only this product and they actually earn only $10 as affiliate commission. All right, so let's actually do a quick calculation here. So let's say 10% of people from these followers, from his follower accounts, all right, 10%, which is 120,000 people, buys the product, all right, which makes him $10 of commission. So this is the amount of affiliate commission this guy received from his account, which is $1.2 million. All right, just by doing short videos. Now, the trick to making money with Clickbank on TikTok is you don't have to reinvent the wheel. All you have to do is model what people in your specific niche or chosen niche are already doing. So guys, let's say I want to actually model this account, all right? This account. So all I have to do is to look at only 2 things. Number 1 is what are the products they're promoting, and number 2, what are the types of content they are creating, and that's it. So let's proceed to do what I just told you. So let's see what are the products they're promoting. And like I told you, these are the two products, which is Soulmate Sketch and Manifest Wealth. And I will actually show you where to get them on Clickbank and how to get them. All right. Now, the next thing we need to do is to look at the content, or the type of content they're actually promoting. And as you can see, guys, their content are getting over 300,000 views, over 50 views. And if we actually average the number of views, it's like 10,000 views per video. All right. And their videos are actually, let me actually close this. You can actually see that their videos are actually a repeated version. So this is saying, if you're seeing this on the 15th of September, and this is saying the 14th of September. So it's kind of like a repetition of what they already created. And another proof is this one, all right, and this one, and here it is, the same. So it's kind of easy to actually create these type of content, and I'll actually show you how and where to get content like these, all right, how to get pictures, videos like this that you can actually create faster and easier, all right, easier to create. Now, let me actually show you where you can actually find these two products on Clickbank and promote it on TikTok. Okay, so we actually go to Clickbank and you sign in. All you have to do is click on affiliate marketplace, and once you're here, you actually go onto your categories, all right, and you go into spirituality, new age, and alternative belief. You can actually click the drop down and search for the niche of this niche, all right, you niche down, or you just simply click on it, and all you have to do is sort your result by gravity. Okay, so the result by gravity, this will actually show you where to get the products that are being sold the most by affiliates. All right, so here you are, the wealth manifestation and the soulmate sketch as being promoted by this account. All right, so the reason I actually love this is you just have to click on promote, and like this, promote, put your affiliate nickname here, and let's say I will say TikTok because I'll be promoting this on TikTok, and here is my affiliate link. Okay, and most of the people, and like you can see, most of the accounts here, they kind of have only one permissible link. That is, only one link is allowed to be put on TikTok. So here we are going to promote let's say we're going to promote two products, all right, and they actually put a link that directs people to a page that then guides to two products. And if someone actually likes this product, they will click, and let's say let's give it a try. So if I click on Soulmate Sketch, all right, I will be directed directly towards the page of the product, and I will simply like, yes, I want my soulmate drawing, blah 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 blah, and I will be directed to purchasing the product. Okay, and the way to do that is simple. All you have to do is to go onto beacons.ai and you create an account. And before doing this video, guys, I actually created this account of mine, and it's actually super simple. It's already done for you, and it's actually free. It's free of charge, right? Free. And you don't have to pay anything. And this, they will actually ask you to actually buy a domain name and all that, but it actually totally depends on you if you want to purchase the domain or not. But if you don't want to actually purchase anything, then it's actually free, all right? And all you have to do is drag and drop, and edit, all right? So yeah, so here it is. Like this guy has done from for his links here, he actually linked his TikTok and Instagram, all right, and put two videos in here. Okay, so once you actually understand where to get these products and how to actually get your affiliate link, all you have to do is now create content. So for that, we're going to go onto a website called pexels.com. Now, here pexels.com will allow you to get copyright-free content video, and you won't actually be get any copyright claim from anybody, because these are actually free to use. So here we're actually going to type nature. All right, type nature. So since we're going to put a manifestation, something like this, so we're going to type nature and direct people with the words that we're going to use, and I will actually tell you what. So you have this amount of pictures, guys, over 100,000 pictures, and videos you have 45,000 more, 45,000 videos. So if we click like on this video, you will be able to see the amount of minutes this video is all about. So it's 13 seconds, and it actually fits in what TikTok is looking for. So if I actually put less than 15 seconds, it's actually amazing. So all you have to do is just download this video. All right, I can either go into a video editor, put it on a phone screen video editor, and export the video and go into TikTok directly and upload. Now, let me actually show you the manifestation page. So all they did, guys, they actually went on TikTok itself, put the video here, all right, and just wrote the caption. All right, they actually kind of just wrote it directly on TikTok, and the music's already available in TikTok itself. And you can actually, let me actually pause this. So you can actually go and look at what the captions they are using. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. As I said, all you have to do is model what other people are already doing. All right, and look at, oops, let me click on it again. So you just have to look at what they're saying, here, model, and what they have. Oh, what am I doing? So what they have. So I did a mistake and I click on something. So yeah, so I was saying all you have to do is look at what they are saying here on the caption, and look at the hashtags they are actually using, and the music they are using. You just have to model what they are doing, and you're done. And at first you will be starting with 0 followers. So all you have to do is all you have to do is publish, and gain followers. And of course, once you gain your followers, you will be able to put your link in here and attract people to actually buy what you're promoting. And this, as you have seen, guys, this not only works on this kind of niche, but it works on woodworking, it works on keto diet, it works on love tips for women. You can actually create one for love tips for men or relationship. All right, and basically everyone is kind of doing the same thing over and over again. And if you have noticed, no one is actually showing their faces on this business model, this type of business model. And like I said, okay, the more you stay consistent, the more you publish, the more people will actually follow you and be interested in your offer. Okay, now if you want to get started with TikTok and get all the support you need to grow an online business on TikTok, then there is a program that costs $1 to get started, and I have left the link of this program in the description box of this video. This program actually shows you the complete A to Z of TikTok, and if you apply what is inside, you will be making 10 times more of what I just showed you. So I believe you should definitely get it for the price of $1. And guys, like always, if you got value from this video, make sure you actually smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to see more videos like this that will help you make money, save time, and save effort. And of course, grow your online business. So this will be it for today. This is Joyce Meettoo signing out. Take care. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.